These genuine bags are designed for Henry by Henry, maximising the capacity and airflow of your machine, delivering peak suction. They come in either packs of 5 or 10 bags. Henry's innovative self-seal tab locks all the dust inside the bag, meaning when emptying, there's no dust and no mess. What goes in Henry stays in Henry. Using the genuine bags guarantees the perfect fit every time. Non-genuine bags can damage the machine, so the benefits of using genuine Henry bags ensures optimum cleaning from your Henry and extends his life. Don't forget, this bag won't just fit Henry, but also Hetty, Harry and James.